you first want to get your lymphatic system ready to go. Turn the heat on and massage your face, corner of your jaw, and neck. Gently massage the detox serum and leave it on your face for about 3 minutes. For 3 minutes, you want to then take off the heating and cooling end and put this water reservoir on. So what this is the extraction portion. So this is what actually makes a hydrofacial a hydrofacial. This is the best part. The suction on this thing, even for the gentle setting, is amazing. Look at how cloudy that is. There's stuff floating around in there, and I just had a facial within the last 2 weeks in a salon. Then you take your Hydro Infuse and fill it up to the fill line in this reservoir. The Hydro Infused portion is what locks in the moisture and it gives your skin that refreshed look. I am literally so disgusted that this came off of my face. And like I said, I just had a professional spa facial about 2 weeks. After you're done with the Hydro Infused portion, turn the cooling setting on and help diminish the redness from your hydrofacial. This calms any puffiness, it keeps your lymphatic system circulating, and it just feels so nice. After your Hydro Infused portion, take the cold setting, gently massage your face. It'll get rid of any redness or puffiness caused from the hydrofacial. My skin feels so much softer. My pores, actually, I didn't even know what they felt like to be clogged. But now that they are cleaned out, I know what it feels like. And again, I just had a spa facial 2 weeks ago, and it feels amazing. Knowing I can get an at-home facial again and again, it makes the Shark facial machine 100 times worse.